Okay. So Google Calendar, you can see, okay, put this thing on my calendar, help me search, what's on my calendar. You can use Gemini to do so, right? So it sounds like a similar thing you do with OpenCloud. But one caveat, Google's Gemini only connected to your main calendar, the default calendar you're using. Try it. If you create another calendar, because I basically I have 7 calendars on my Google Cal. Basically, I using different colors to see like a life related, work related, right? And then some other like a recreation, stuff like that. I have 7 different ones. But if I ask it to put something on my specific calendar, it doesn't know. And I only have my default. Can my default only have part of my calendar over there? If I say, okay, what I did for this day, it only can be able to retrieve the default calendar. I feel so frustrated, right? I have nothing to do with it. I can take it to Google. I can talk to my friends with Google, and they probably go to a long process to study this UI UX thing, because they're gonna serve millions of people. One change for them gonna affect a lot of people, right? This is maybe just me want to use that thing, and the prioritize wise for Google for their team probably gonna be super low, or they don't care about that, right? But I care about myself. So if I do the web coding, I own those workflow from my open cloud. I just saying, okay, it also happened on open cloud, right? Because defaultly just gonna retrieve that. I told it, okay, I have 7 different calendars. Those are named for those 7 different calendars. When you scan my calendar, make sure you include all those 7 calendars from there. And I'm gonna tell you which one I wanted to put for my project related calendar, blah blah blah. And I taught it once and asked it to create a skill. And then next time I don't need to teach. I just say, okay, scan my calendar, put this on my project related calendar, stuff like that. Everything becomes seamless. And this thing happened probably within 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. It's all done. And it showed up on my app. Right. So that's the beauty of vibe coding, right? So that's a huge difference you can tell between a non-code platform or you relying on certain platform and not owning everything by yourself.